Hi guys, welcome to QA Training Up. This is Subbaraj. In this video channel, I am going to share complete QA resources, manual testing, test automation, database testing, Unix testing, like this different testing videos I am going to share. Now first I am starting with the manual testing. In this manual testing process, what kind of resources I am going to share with you? Just I am showing to you total 10 modules. In each and every module, there are the couple of real-time contents existed. Software project testing course, online training. I am providing with any domain, banking, insurance, e-commerce with ISTQB standards. International Software Testing Qualification Board. This is one of the organizations where exactly the real and live QA standards are followed. So that standards I am going to teach in my training. Try to follow, complete this web series for great knowledge and a good job. In the module 1, I am going to cover software testing fundamentals. In this module, I am giving what is software, what is testing, how many types of testings available, what is a defect, what is a bug. Like this fundamental terminologies I am going to discuss with you only in the module 1. If you come to module 2, software development life cycles like waterfall model, incremental model, V model, agile methodology, Scrum framework, which is a highly demand item in the market, that part will be discussed. Then I'll come to module 3, software testing core concepts. Here only we are calling generally ways of testing, kinds of testing, methods of testing, levels of testing, types of testing. These all are comes under the module 3 level, software testing core concepts. Right, if you come to module 4, software testing life cycle, real-time project implementation. So STLC having many phases: test initiation, test planning, test designing, test execution, result analysis, bug tracking, bug reporting, and test closure. So these are all the phases we can see with one live project, maybe banking, e-commerce, or any domain related which is highly demanded like HR management also. Now live project manual testing once completed, you are getting complete picture what are the testing related standards. Then I am entering into agile live process, means in the real time industry, agile environment, how it is available, what are the Scrum framework related terminologies like Scrum meetings, sprint, product backlog, sprint planning, sprint backlog, story points, burn down chart, epic, like this different terminologies available. In the module 6, you guys getting perfect information about the agile. In agile umbrella term, what are the other frameworks available, that knowledge I am giving to you. After that I am entering into agile management process. In the worldwide number 1 is called Jira. Jira, whenever some plugins added in the Jira like Zypher plugins, it is becoming as a test management process. In this test management process, total manually whatever the life cycle I shown to STLC in Jira level, these components implementation I'll show you in this video series. After that we are coming to module 7, software quality standards. What is ISO, what is SEI, Software Engineering Institute, later it became as capability maturity model. What are the CMMI standards, CMMP standards, after that one Six Sigma standards, and IEEE testing documentation standards. So these are the completely related to software quality standards. Then most essential component we can see, database testing, SQL for test engineers. Guys, on your resume, how much technical stuff you are giving your resume, that much more weightage. So you people database testing knowledge giving on your resume, definitely there is a more chance to shortlist easily. Nowadays, SQL is a common language for every project. So it is a different types of SQL available like DDL, DML, some language, some knowledge are provided related to completely SQL different types available. Some small typo mistake is there here. This is nothing but actually we are calling TCL transaction control language, DML data manipulation language, TCL DML and DDL data definition language. Like this SQL divided into different languages, that kind of information I'll provide you. After that one, Unix testing also highly preferred for the test engineers. What is Unix? How many types of operating systems available? Why Unix is unique operating system still in the industry? Why Unix that much demand? Security wise, what are the features available? What are the file systems it is following? And what are the basic commands important for QA purpose? And what are the working directories? And what are the working directories commands available? These basic commands we can try to see in the Unix testing. Then finally we'll come to module 10. In this 10th module I am providing to you completely resume preparation, mock interviews, interview questions based on the JD, how questions will come to you and how you are going to answer, what is the body language you can sit in the interview panel. So many points I am going to share. So finally in these video sessions maximum I'll try to cover whatever the stuff you required to get a good job in the industry. All the resources I'll provide you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you one and all. Thank you everybody.